Create Instagram trending photo cutout video. Step 1. Cut out your photos in photo editing feature. Tap Cutout to remove the background. Save it. Do the same for other photos. Step 2. Add the cutout photos as stickers. Import original photos in video editing section. Drag to swap the clips. Add your cutout photos as stickers. Import the cutout photo. Adjust the duration of the sticker. The sticker should appear before the original photo. Add more stickers in the same way. Copy the stickers to enrich your video. Check out the result.